Are you tired of your old, boring Halloween decorations? In this video, you're going to learn how to make a large witch using just some plastic garbage bags, a large stick, an elastic band or some ropes to tie things together, and a lot of shopping bags. And you'd also need a witch hat, but if you don't have a witch hat, just take a disposable plate and some paper. So let's get right into it. The first step is to create the body of the witch. To do that, we have to take one plastic bag and stuff it with other plastic bags. So we can take these plastic bags over here and just stuff the plastic bag with it, like so. And now we've got this stuffed plastic bag. Now we can try and make it more of a rectangular shape. And just take the edges and kind of smoosh them in. And now we've got this rectangular shape and we're going to use this as the body of the witch. Now we can similarly take some more plastic bags and mold it into a spherical shape. And this can be the head of the witch. And now remember to tape this and fasten it together. And after we've done so, we can take one large stick like this one and we can simply tape the head and the body onto the stick. So when you're done, it's going to look like this. Guys, look at it, it's creepy enough already. All this red tape looks so scary. Maybe if you want to, just put this outside your house and it's going to be a great Halloween decoration. But either way, this is what you got to make. And after that, let's go into the next step. So for the next step, all you've got to do is take this trash bag and just put it over its head. Now remember, the corner of the trash bag has to go near the head of the witch. Like that. And now what we've got to do is, we've got to take fasteners, and we've got to fasten these fasteners around the neck and right after the body of the witch. And if you want to, you can add in these extra trash bags, so you can add in some more layers to the dress and make it better looking. So after that, we can just take this witch hat and put it on the witch. If you don't already have a witch hat, don't worry about it. It's really easy to make one. All you need is a paper plate and paint it black. And then you need a piece of black paper, and with it, make a cone. Then attach them all to make a witch hat, which looks like this. Now for the final touch. All you need is a cut garbage bag and just wrap it around the neck of the witch, creating arms. And to top the arms off, you can make hands by making a small knot around here. So that's it. We made the hands and the arms of the witch, and now the witch is complete. And now, as you wish and desire, you can add in some more witches and create them in a row, or you can connect their hands together in any way that you like. So that was it. Those were our homemade DIY Halloween witches. Now, we'll see you in the next video.